Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Volvo XC90 key battery. First, locate the small release button or latch on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the physical key blade. This step is crucial as it reveals the access point for opening the key fob and getting to the battery. Make sure to keep the mechanical key in a safe place so you do not misplace it. Now that the mechanical key is out, you will see a small slot. Carefully insert a thin, flat tool, like a small screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to unclip the casing without causing any damage. With the key fob open, you will see the small, round battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up, before you remove it. Gently pry out the old battery. Most Volvo XC90 key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Then, slide the mechanical key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You've successfully changed your Volvo XC90 key battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.